This is the one. She's the one. She's the one. She's the one. I choose her. Hey sis, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm SharronReneé. Hopefully you'll subscribe before you leave. But today we're going to be doing a review on this unit, this duo, this combo that I have on right here, right now. This is the new Sensationnel Instant Up-Down unit in the style UD2. So if you want to see what I think about the wig and see a little bit of styling, then just keep on watching. Okay, so here we have Sensationnel UD2 in the color 2 because my hair is naturally brown. Okay, so this one looks like it's going to be a little bit easier to deal with. If you watched my video on UD3, you know that sis gave me a hard time and it was kind of a struggle. But this one seems like it's going to be a little bit easier because it doesn't seem like it has like that much hair, and like it's just, it seems a little bit more tamed and calm, but still has like some texture. Now, what I am worried about when it comes to this is the shininess, because my hair is type 4 and it's very low luster. Like my hair has little to no luster, like legit. So this hair is, I feel like it's gonna be kind of shiny, so I'm nervous. Anyways, like I said, this is UD2 in the style, in a color 2. And it is the Instant Up and Down by Sensationnel, where you could do like 4 different styles. You could do the up down, you could do the updo, like the high pony, you could do the low pony, you could do the like style of half wig just by itself. So it's literally the same exact thing as UD3, but just a different texture. So I'm not even about to go through all of the like first impressions and stuff because we already know what's up. This is what the texture looks like on the UD2, and it definitely looks a little shiny. Not like OD shiny, I just mean shiny for my hair type and texture. But this is what the wave pattern looks like. This hair is actually soft too. Like I like this hair. It feels nice. Like I would wear a wig, a full wig with this texture. It feels nice and it looks nice too. I like the little pattern. Okay, so as we know, the half wig has 2 combs. It has a comb in the back and it has a drawstring right here, like so. And the wrap pony, it has one little itsy bitsy teeny weeny comb in it right here, but this little comb actually was like in there, so it's tiny but impactful. And then it has this wrap portion for you to wrap the hair. This one feels kind of thicker, a little bit thicker than the other one. But yeah, this is what the pony is looking like. It feels nice. This hair feels really nice. Okay, so I already have my cap on because I just can't like not wear a cap, as we know. So I'm just going to put the half wig on. I think I'm gonna do the ponytail first, actually, because last time I did the half wig first. So this time I think I'm gonna do the pony first. Okay, so now I'm going to stick the comb inside of my hair tie. This one has what the other one didn't have. It's like a stretchy part right here. And this one, instead of putting a bobby pin in my in my hair, I just bobby pinned it to the wrap. Okay. Already this one looks so much better. Like already. Okay. Okay, so let me add the half wig. Okay, so I'm already liking this one better, and I haven't even fixed it yet. First and foremost, I think I'm gonna pin this, or at least like the very, like a hair. I'm gonna pin this into the half wig so it could like pull back some, because I feel like it's kind of leaning forward and I want it to like come back a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Now I'm just gonna go in and kind of fluff this out some, just a little bit. And I think I'm gonna do the ponytail trick, not the ponytail trick. I'm gonna do the sock thing with this because I do feel like I want it to be just a little bit higher, like that. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I like it much better with the sock, just giving it a little bit of lift, because without it, it just is falling a little bit too low, and I feel like you can't really tell that it's like a ponytail and then hair. Like it just kind of looks, I don't know. So this makes it very clear I have a ponytail and then some hair. Anyways, so again, like I said, the same exact construction. The stock card is exactly the same. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. I do like this one much better. Like this one is my vibe. Like I like this one. I like that it's a little bit easier to tame. I like the curl pattern or the wave pattern much better. I really like this. Well, that hair, the other hair felt soft as well, but this one just feels, I don't know, I guess because I'm actually able to run my fingers through it, and the other one was like a tight curl, so you can't necessarily like just be running your fingers through it all willy-nilly. But this one, I like it a lot. I really, really do. Like I like this one. Like, again, like I said, I'm not gonna be trying the straighter ones because my hair just is like barely hanging on. You know what I'm saying? Like it just does not respect me, and it will not lay down. Like it will not be tamed. That's just it. So I can't like mess with any of them straighter styles, but this one is lit. Okay, like I like this one. I fully recommend this one 100%. Go get this one, especially if you got hair that'll lay down. Like girl, go get this one with the quickness. It's lit. I think I'm gonna go change my shirt, cause I don't know, I think I'm gonna change my shirt, but it looks short here. Like it doesn't really look that long. Like it comes like to her breast. But on me, this comes literally to my waist. Like my what is that? That's not my waist. I'm tired, okay? So forgive me. But it comes like, it's about a good 22 inches. They fully need to come out with like a full lace front wig with this hair, because I really like this pattern and like I'm into this. So like Sensationnel, what is the tea with the lace front wig with this pattern? Because it's really cute and I'm into it. Okay, so I think that's a wrap for the kid. I don't really feel like I have much else to say about this wig, but if you're interested in this wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out. Also, too, if you made it all the way to the end, give your girl a thumbs up, especially if you enjoyed the video. Really give me a thumbs up and drop that in the comments and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Also, too, have you tried this? Have you tried any of them? Which one is your favorite? Like, what's the tea, sis? Let's talk about it. And yeah, do not leave here without subscribing if you are new. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe to the channel before you go. Okay? That's important. But yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Heavy on the blessings though. Like, well, heavy on the peace too. Heavy on the peace and the blessings. That's it. That's all.